While the COVID-19 pandemic exacerbated the problem, Minister Walcott says the decline in immunization coverage was noted as early as 2017.
Of concern in all tourism-dependent economies, the decline in childhood immunization coverage, along with the increasing number of visitors to the Caribbean from across the globe, can result in the reintroduction of previously eliminated childhood diseases, especially measles, which is a highly infectious one and has the potential to cause death.
The minister was speaking during the launch of UNICEF's State of the World's Children Report 2023 at UN House. According to the data, only 70% of children have received the recommended 2 doses of the measles vaccine, while 84% have been fully immunized against polio. The health minister says the ministry will be embarking on a number of community outreach activities to achieve at least 95% coverage in all childhood vaccines for children under 2 years old.
Activities commenced by the public health nurses in our polyclinics so far include reviewing vaccine registers to identify children that have defaulted from vaccination so that their parents can be called and appointments scheduled for vaccinations at the polyclinics. Include visits to nurseries and daycare facilities by public health nurses to check vaccination cards and alert parents of children that are missing vaccines through written notices. Outreach efforts also to vaccinate eligible children who miss vaccinations over the past 3 years.
The Ministry of Health has committed to providing periodic training to all categories of health workers on the essential elements of the vaccination program with a view of combating vaccine hesitancy. Meanwhile, UNICEF representative for the Eastern Caribbean, Peter Boult, has warned of a growing anti-vax movement in the region.
While the backslide in Latin America and the Caribbean has maybe not been as deep as in other parts of the world, still, an average of 7% of children in this region are not receiving even a single dose of vaccines. And across the Eastern Caribbean, this situation is worsening, with the number of so-called zero-dose children increasing. And of course, every single under or unvaccinated child is one too many.
The Caribbean has been free of polio since 1982 and measles since 1991. Sharika Griffith, CBC News.